What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who already know what it is, welcome back. For those of you who are watching me for the first time or maybe the second, you know what I'm saying, and you just need a refresher, what you can find here are talks about maca root, skincare hacks, weight gain maintenance / hacks, and just how to glow the heck up in general as far as skincare. And I do a lot of product reviews as well. All right, all of that you'll find on this channel. Okay, now first, let's talk about this shirt that I have on. All you see is I wish. Let me stand and let me show you what exactly this shirt says. Listen. I wish a Karen would. Shout out to Miss Vanity Rose. Okay, check out her YouTube channel, which is lots of glitter and shit. You feel me? And right there you will just find her DIYs. The girl is bomb. Listen to me when I tell you that she can make a mountain out of a molehill, literally. Okay, I'm not playing. It's not a game. So definitely check out her channel. But she is selling this merch, I wish a Karen would, and I'll leave the link in the description as well. Okay, so definitely peep that. The lip color that I am wearing is Drip. Okay, it is my own from Big Lips, Modestly Lavish's Big Lips collection. Okay, and yeah, it's called Drip. Let me take it out of the case for you all here. It's really, really creamy. Okay, I love a matte too, but my preference is a creamy lipstick or a cream. This is our whipped cream lipstick. My preference is the whipped cream because it just goes on so smooth, and after you eat and everything and drink and sip and whatever, it's easy to reapply. Whereas with a lot of mattes, that reapplication situation is not, it no make it, right? So that's what I really do like about this Drip. And as you can see, the color, honestly, it's like a, how do I describe this? It's like a purplish burgundy, deep, rich tone, satin, creamy finish. And I absolutely love it. To know me is to know, well, y'all know, I mainly rock a nude. But here's the thing, when you want to be on your grown woman, you wear a lipstick like this. Okay, you wear a lipstick like this. When you want to look boss, this is what you put on. When you want to look dainty, out with your girls, summertime fun, go to the mall, whatever, boom, 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 bing, bada, bim. That's what you do. You put on a gloss, our Big Lips Ultra Shine Glossy Gloss, okay? With that glass shine that allows your lips to look fuller, appear fuller than what they may be. For those of you who might want to do that, you know what I'm saying? But this Drip though, great for several complexions. Y'all, I have on no lip gloss with this. That's what another thing I like about this, it has shine too. This is like some creamy shine. My lips feel so moisturized. It has vitamin E, shea butter, jojoba oil. What you mean? Grapeseed oil. Play around. This is not a game. All those great ingredients in this lipstick, and that's why it's so moisturizing, non-drying, easy to apply and reapply. I'm sorry, because y'all want to know about my food probably, so we gonna stop there. But this is called Drip. It's available via modestlylavish.com, free shipping within the United States. Use code NEWLAUNCH for an extra 20% off. And I'm gonna say this, if you rock with me, trust and believe, I got you. Okay, if you rock with me, I got you. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, I appreciate the support. Nail strip drip. Yes, I'm still wearing these same nail stickers. I am gonna switch them out, y'all, but they just be lasting, and I listen, they still look cute to me, so I'm like, listen, we gonna make it do what it do. All right, and the eye products that I have on, minus the eyeshadow, the mascara, the eyeliner, are also from Modestly Lavish. Okay, big lips, big eyes, we out here. Big lashes. Okay, I've used the serum. I've been using the serum, and then I have on the mascara and the eyeliner. Let me zoom in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all weren't ready for that. Okay, so that's what we're rocking with. Now on to what I have for breakfast. Listen, now I don't have to feel guilty. Just egg. Shout out to my girl Alicia Jane. Her channel is about a weight gain journey and being like vegan foods and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? So definitely check out her channel. But yes, she put me onto this. Actually, you know what? SHIII might have said something about this first. Check out SHII's channel too, Cotton Creations. My bad, SHIII. SHIII might have said something about this too now that I think about it. But anyway, this Just Egg is lit. Shout out to Alicia Jane and SHIII for putting me onto this. Again, Cotton Creations and Alicia Jane on YouTube. Okay, links will be in the description. Check out their channels. But this is lit. And I have it here. It even looks, y'all, it looks like eggs. No cholesterol though. Guilt-free eating out here in these streets. Not only that, and I'm not vegan. Like I said, I just be trying to be healthy-ish at times, okay? This right here is Beyond Meat sausage. This is the spicy one. Hot jalapeno? Something like that. It's the spicy one, and it's good. It ain't really spicy to me though, but I like spicy things. But this right here, coupled with this, let me tell you something. It's amazing. Okay, and then we have the oatmeal here. And I put in here the FLEEK Maca. I put in FLEEK Maca, 2 things of protein powder, the ORGAIN, 2 things of the ORGAIN protein powder, and a bunch of fruit. Okay, so and cinnamon. You already know how I do cinnamon, honey. And so yeah, I'm about to go in on all of these things, but I just wanted to show y'all. This is the maca that I am using until mine becomes available and gets to me. Oh, anyway, yes, so that is that. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you feel so inclined. Hit that bell for notifications. I will most definitely be back with more. Follow me on the socials, okay? At YCEECEE, the number 1. At Modestly Lavish, okay? On TikTok, Yanni CC. I'm trying, y'all. I'm really trying. Y'all don't be understanding. I don't think people understand that don't have a channel. There's a lot that goes into these things, and you have to dedicate time to each of them. People don't understand that, but that's okay. That's okay. But yes, thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I'll holla.